Hi first graders, so today we're doing Unit 1, Lesson 9. This is the last lesson in this unit, and today we're going to be focusing on solving problems with partners of 10 or less. So today you're going to need your math board, which looks like this. This is something that you picked up with your virtual learning supplies. You're going to need a dry erase marker if you have one at home. You're also going to need your math workbook and some crayons or colored pencils. So the first thing I want to show you is this your 100 chart right here. So before we start every lesson, I want you to practice writing up to 100. By the time we leave first grade, we need to be able to write to 120. So let's practice this a little bit together. You can start with the 1 up in this corner and write across to 10, and come back over and write 11, 12, 13, and see how far you can go. Okay, take your time, do your best printing, and see how far you can go. All right, and we'll check in with you a couple times on that in the future. But if you practice a little bit every day, say maybe today you can get to 20, tomorrow try to get to 25, the next day try to get to 30, see how far you can write. And by the end, you'll make it to 100 down here on the bottom. After you make it to 100, then we'll send home a bigger one that extends it to 120. Okay, so we're going to move on to our workbook. So here we're going to write the number of band members in each column or row. So here we're looking at how many band members are right here in this column. Yep, I see 1. Now we have 1 more. So we have 1 and 1 more. How many would that be? 2. 2 and 1 more. 3 and 1 more. 4 and 1 more. 5 and 1 more. 6 and 1 more is 7. 7 and 1 more is 8. 8 and 1 more is 9. And 9 and 1 more is 10. Okay. Now we're going to start at the top, and we're looking at the rows. Let's count how many band members we have in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm wondering what you notice as we move down the rows farther and farther. Are there more band members or less band members? You're right, there's less. And I think there's going to be 1 less. You see here? There's 1 less. What's 1 less than 10? You're right, it's 9. And 1 less than 9 is 8. 1 less than 8 is 7. And so on. You can keep writing all the way down until we get to just 1 band member left on the bottom. So you can go ahead and fill those in between 10, 9, 8, 7. I bet you can figure out the rest. Okay, next I want to show you these connecting blocks. Now, if you were at school with me, you would have these blocks of your own to use. But for now, I'm just going to show you on the video. So here we have 10 red blocks. Okay, I'm going to take off 1. So 10 take away 1 is 9. And we're going to add 1 blue one. So we have the 9 red plus the 1 blue. So your equation would be 9 plus 1. Let's see if you can figure out what the next equation would be. So we had 9. Now we're going to take off 1 more. What's 1 less than 9? It's 8. That's right. So we have 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 2 is 10. So right now, the partners that we're using are 8 and 2. We're going to take off our 2. We have 8. We're going to take away 1. 8 take away 1. What's that? What's 1 less than 8? That's right, we have 7. So now we need to add on some blue ones to get back to 10. So we have 7 plus 1, 2, 3 blue ones. So our partners we're using here is 7 and 3. Okay, we're going to take off the blue ones, and we're saying 7, take away 1. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. So we have 6, and we're going to add to get partners of 10. Do you remember what partners with 6? 6 and 4. Partners are 6 and 4. Okay, take off the blue. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red ones. What partners with 5 to get us to 10? If you said 5, you are correct. It's a doubles fact. So we need 5 and 5 to get us to 10. 5 and 5 to get us to 10. All right, and this is also the case where we can do the switch partners, and then we would go 4 and 6, 3 and 7, 2 and 8, and 1 and 9. All right. So we're going to move on to showing and writing the partners of 10 with these band uniforms. So we need to color these, and we're going to start off with, we're going to need 2 colors, okay? 2 colors. Now my coloring skills on the smartboard are not going to be as good as your coloring skills will be at home. So I'm just going to put like a little circle, okay? So I have 1 red one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blue ones. So my partners here be 1 plus 9 is equal to that 10. 10 uniforms total. Okay, so we have the 1 that's red. Now we're going to make 2 that are red. Okay, so that would be like this, 2. Plus, well, what partners with 2? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 is equal to 2 plus 8. Let's see here, we did 1, we did 2. What should we do next? Well, if we say 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 that partners with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you starting to see a pattern? I see a pattern. 1, 2, 3. What might come next? See if you can figure the rest out at home. All right, I have one riddle for you here today, and I want to see if you can figure it out. So I am thinking of a number. I'm thinking of 2 numbers, actually. The numbers are partners of 7. So right now in your head, think about, what partners together to give us 7? So you can even use your fingers, right? We have 1 and 6. We have 2 and 5. And we have 3 and 4. Okay, so those are our choices. The numbers are partners of 7. One number is 1 more than the other number. What numbers am I thinking of? I see that I made a typo here. And that's okay. Teachers make mistakes too. All right, once you figure that out, then you can move on to your homework, which looks like this with the cubes, these just like these Unifix cubes that we've been using. Okay, so you're going to color them in and show the partners of 10. And then over here is review. So you're just going to take the 10 partners and put them in, and then put them in the Math Mountain and the 10 train. Stretch Your Thinking says draw 10 marbles, use the 5 group. So meaning you want one group on top and another group on the bottom, each 5 and 5. All right, remember this is the last lesson in this unit, so I will be making a video to tell you what to do for your assessment, which means for your test. All right, thanks very much. Take care.